Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our video class is on subject mathematics, lesson 1, numbers up to 1000. In the previous class I taught you numbers, how to write the spellings, and I also told you to practice writing numbers 1 to 100. So I taught you what comes after, before, between. Today we are going to come to comparing. Comparing numbers. So in order to compare number, we need to compare not only numbers, to compare anything. We need two things. I cannot take one girl and compare it. I cannot take one thing and compare it. So in order to compare, I need two things. Now, suppose think you and your brother. Your mother gave 5 rupees to you, that is you, and 10 rupees to your brother, who is elder than you. Now I am comparing these two numbers. What I am doing? Comparing. So who got more? 5 rupees to you, 10 rupees to your brother. Who got more money? I am comparing between you and your brother. Comparing between the two persons. If I am comparing between the two, see, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Then only I can ask who is having more, who is having less. So I am asking here, who is having more amount, more money? Obviously you will say that your brother is having more. And who is having less amount, less money? You. You are having only 5 rupees, lesser than your brother. So that is comparing the things. Comparing money or comparing anything, we need two things to compare. So here I am going to take two numbers, 4, 5. So in order to compare, I need two numbers. So I will be asking you which number is less, which number is greater, which is smaller, which is greater. So what is the answer? You will say obviously 4. 4 is smaller than 8? Yeah, 4 is smaller. So you will say that 4 is smaller than 8. Now I ask you which number is greater. So you will say 8 is greater. 8 is greater than 4. So this is how to compare numbers. I'll show you some examples. 9, 12, 24, 38, 14. So here I am asking, circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Number 9, number 2. Which is greater here, number 9 or number 2? Number 12. Which is greater here? Number 12. So you have to circle the greater. They are asking us to greater number. You have to circle. Now 24, 38. Which is greater here? 2, 4, 24, 3, 8, 38. Which number is greater? Obviously, this number 38 is greater. The next number, 14, 10. 14, 10. Which number is greater? 14 is greater than 10. So I am asking you to circle the greater number. Now, circle the smaller number. Circle the smaller number. Here 9 and 3 is there. In these two numbers, compare these two numbers and tell me which is smaller. 9 is smaller or 3? Yeah, 3 is smaller. So you have to circle the smaller number. Here 18 is here, 24 is here. 18, 24. So just look which number is smaller. 18 is smaller. So circle 18. Now next number 54, 27. Which is smaller? 27 is smaller. So circle smaller. In this way, I showed you how to compare the two numbers, how to differentiate which is more, which is less, and then according to that you have to do your work. Now this was the comparison between the two numbers. Now I am going to show you the comparison between the three numbers. Now I will take a mouse. A mouse has how many legs? 4 legs. Now I am going to take spider. Spider has 8 legs. The next I will take any bird. Now I am comparing 3 things. I am comparing a mouse, a spider and a crow. I am comparing among the 3. So now I will say who is having, among these 3, who is having more legs. So mouse is having 4, spider is having 8, crow is having 2. Who is having more legs? Yeah, the spider is having more legs. Now I will ask you, which animal is having few legs? Which is having? Crow is having the few legs. So in this way you have to compare between the 3 numbers. That was the comparison of the 2 numbers. This is the comparison of 3 numbers. Now I am going to take one number, 3 different numbers. 4, 5, 2. These are the 3 numbers. I am going to compare among these 3 numbers. Now I will be asking you, which is the smallest of the 3? Of the 3 numbers, which is the smallest number? So what is the answer you will be giving? 4, 5, 2. Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. So 2 is smaller than 4 and 5. Now I will be asking you, which is the greatest number? So the answer, what answer you will give you? 4, 5, 2. 5 is the greater number. 5 is the greatest of the 3. Which is the greatest number? 5. 5 is greater than 4 and 2. 5 is greater than these 2 numbers. 2 is smaller than these 2 numbers. In this way you have to compare the numbers. So if I tell you, circle the greatest number. These are the 3 numbers, 49, 24, 36. In this you have to circle the greatest number. Which is the greatest number here? 49, 24, 36. So among these 3 numbers, the number 49 is greater. It is the greatest number of the 3. It is greater than 24 and 36. Now I will be asking you, which is the smallest number? So what is the answer you will give you? Smallest of these 3? 24. So circle the smallest number. So which number you will circle now? Circle the smallest. 49, 24, 36. Which is small? 24. 24 is smaller than 36 and 49. 24 is smaller than 36 and 49. This is how you are going to compare between 2 numbers. If there are 3 numbers too, you can compare it. This is what comparing of numbers with 2 and more than 2. Hope children you have all understood today's class. Thank you.